My name is Janet.
And my name is Marcus. And together we are
AfriRopa.
AfriRopa, yes. Hi.
Good afternoon.
So, we are coming together here once more, and I'm just starting with a couple of questions. Is it true that you are taking pictures with your phone?
Yes, I take pictures with
You
my
do,
phone.
all the time, right?
Yes.
And you even take videos with your phone, right?
Yes, I record with my phone.
Okay, okay. So what's happening to your pictures and your videos from your phone in case you drop your phone or you lose it or something like this? Do you have a backup solution for your photos and your videos?
Yes, I back them up in Google.
In Google, okay.
Yes.
Did you ever notice the pesky reminder from Google, buy more space? You are out of space.
Yes, I'm receiving that every day.
You're receiving that stupid message, yes, yeah, and that's the topic for today. Yeah. What to do about it? How to overcome something like this? Yeah.
Oh, is there a solution to that?
There are solutions to that, yes.
Okay.
Yeah. I mean, one
Okay.
solution, that's the easiest solution, of course, is to take less pictures and to clean them up on your phone.
Yes,
But
they
no,
keep telling me to clean now.
But nobody does that, I know that for sure,
I
yeah.
need the photos.
I mean, most people don't even go on their PC or laptop to review or to revisit their photos collection there and to clean them up and to throw away what's unnecessary, yeah. And it's just a little bit of housekeeping. That would be the first thing, as a matter of fact. It's time consuming, yes, but on the other hand, you can enjoy viewing your old pictures once more, yeah? Yeah, and then say, ah, come on, no, this is where I took 3 pictures in a row, of which only one really is worth keeping.
Yes.
Yeah, so throw them away and make some space like that, yeah? But I know most people don't do that at all.
Yeah.
They just shoot and shoot and shoot and shoot, yeah, until the message from Google comes, buy more space.
Yes.
And of course, I mean, that's the business model, yeah, making or offering a free cloud space for backup and backing everything up automatically, which is very convenient, and who wouldn't want that?
Yeah.
Backing everything up for free, yeah, and so to speak, hook the people until they are really hooked, yeah.
Yes.
And then say, okay, now I've got you, and now I want your money. That's their business model, basically, yeah.
Yes.
And anybody else's too. Microsoft is doing just the same thing. You can also have a OneDrive, I think it's 15 gigabytes or something like this, or 10 gigabytes, I don't know, something like this. So it sounds substantial in the beginning, yeah. And of course you can set up your phone to back up to the Microsoft OneDrive, just as convenient as it is with Google. For the Apple users amongst you, yeah, using iPhones, it's of course exactly the same with the Apple iPhone and the Google services around it, yeah. So, but what to do if you receive that message and you say, I don't want to pay that amount of money. Plus, if you really think about it, there's much more to it than you just you just don't see. So basically, when you save your pictures into the Google Cloud or Microsoft Cloud or Apple, it doesn't really matter. There are some other companies that offer similar services too. Yeah.
Yeah.
If you go and look into the fine print, what it says in the fine print is that the pictures you are taking there, yes, they are yours, yeah, but they may be used for AI training purposes. Yeah, meaning that Google or whatever is going through the pictures and handing them over to their AI agent to train their AI. I'm not sure if this is what you want. And then there is another topic that goes into a similar direction. You can summarize that as data sovereignty, meaning the data should be yours and nobody else's. Yeah, but if you save it into the Google Cloud or Microsoft Cloud or whatever, basically these pictures end up potentially in somebody's hands you don't want to. Yeah, so the American Secret Service or whatever might have access to it. Or also even worse, looking at the political situation worldwide, that the US government tells those cloud operators, you need to cut off Europe or the African continent. We don't want you anymore, yeah? And you lose these services all of a sudden. So there are risks right there, yeah? Nobody really thinks about that. But it's real risks, and you should really consider them. Well, I mean, I would want to say before you do anything about it, but yeah, usually everybody turns that on anyways per default, and it just runs. So the question is, what can you do to mitigate the situation? So once more, you can clean up and you do housekeeping and you take less pictures. That certainly helps, but only for a while. But what then? So now comes the question, do you have an old PC or laptop at home? If you have, you can turn that PC or laptop, yeah, into your own cloud storage solution. So you can make yourself completely independent from Google. Yeah?
Yes, how do you go about it?
You host your own cloud, basically. That's where I want to go with this one here.
Yeah.
Yeah, so the solution I would recommend here is called Nextcloud. Yeah. Of course, it takes a little bit of expertise to get everything up and running and so on and so forth. Still, there is a lot of tutorials on the internet. Even here on YouTube you will find tutorials on how to set up something like this. So if you have a laptop or an old PC, something with probably 4 GB of memory, and maybe something like an i5 CPU, maybe even something like 10-15 years old, that's good enough, definitely, for that. Yeah, what you need or what you want is storage. Yeah. Because all these videos and pictures, of course, they eat up a lot of storage. That's definitely the case. Yeah. But you can set up your own cloud service, Nextcloud, and you install the client on your phone, and then you just activate it, and instead of pushing your pictures to Google, you're pushing your pictures for backup purposes to the Nextcloud, and everything is hosted at home. So you can completely omit anything from Google, and you don't have to pay any license or subscription fees. It's not necessary any further. Yeah, the data is yours. You host your own data. Of course, on the other hand, if you do something stupid, something wrong, you may lose your data. That's how it is. Yeah. So there is a risk. So you need to educate yourself a little bit.
Yes.
But for someone who is a little bit into computers and into tinkering, it is definitely doable. Yeah?
Nextcloud.
Nextcloud is definitely doable. Yeah. I said something like this in the previous video already. I'm doing this on a professional level. Also, if someone needs help or something like this, or want to have something like this set up, just get in touch with me. Maybe I can help you there. But altogether, this is a really good solution. It is even adopted by now, and because of data sovereignty is one of the big buzzwords these days, that the whole European Union is pushing Nextcloud as their solution to get rid of Google and Microsoft services.
Is that so?
Yeah, it's developed in Europe.
Yes.
I don't know if it's from Germany or I don't know exactly where it comes from, but it is a project that is hosted and maintained in Europe.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Now it gets a huge push because it is supported and financed by the European Union, as the preferred solution to get away from Google and from Microsoft. And still, the software itself, by nature, is open source. It is free, so you can use it.
Yeah.
And just go ahead, do it.
So you get out of space is over, buy more space.
You don't need that anymore.
You don't need that.
No, you don't need that anymore.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, get rid of all this. Yeah, cancel your Google and Microsoft subscriptions. Yeah.
Yes.
And declare your own independence.
Independence.
Yeah.
That's something that people don't know.
No, people don't know this, and of course, for people who just say, okay, I don't want to have anything to do with computers, this is not a solution. Yeah. Because it takes some knowledge, it takes reading, it takes some research. Yeah. Mm-hmm. You need to set up the whole thing. Yeah. It takes tinkering to do the configuration. Yeah.
Yeah.
Until it's running. But if you enjoy doing things like that, you will certainly enjoy the process, and you have something that is highly productive and saves money.
Wow. Who doesn't want to save money?
Well, yeah, I think so. Yes.
And who doesn't want privacy in their data?
Yes, absolutely. Yeah. Yeah.
So for those that would want it done professionally, please drop down in the comment section.
Yeah, exactly. Just get in touch and see what I can do for you.
Okay.
But for all of you, I can really encourage you, get into it. It's a lot of fun, or can be a lot of fun. And again, declare your own independence.
Sure.
Saying that,
That ends our video there.
okay.
And then we see you in the next one. Bye-bye.